Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your cats to Bybit. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the app and then tap on the airdrop area to withdraw your cats to your Bybit account. After that, tap on exchange and then continue to the next step. Now, choose Bybit from this list and then tap on the send button. On this page, tap on the I have it button and you will be prompted to enter the following information. Simply open Bybit, tap on the profile icon at top left corner, and then copy the UID from here. Once done, go to the Assets tab and tap on the Deposit feature. Inside it, select Deposit Crypto and then choose the Ton coin. Now, select the Ton network and then copy every required information. You can then paste it into here and tap on the Send button. So that's basically how you can withdraw your cats to Bybit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks